In a pocket-sized workshop hidden inside a sunlit desk drawer, a crew of miniature workers wakes to a fresh daily challenge. Today they mend a shattering compass that guides a giant's punctual day, aligning gears and a stubborn spring. Every tiny bolt carries a story, and their whispers turn clangs into clicks. The giant checks his pocket watch, and the micro team steps back, satisfied as the needle settles true. With the task done, they tidy their tools and wait for the next unseen duty that tomorrow will bring.